Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making gulab jamun. We can make easily within half an hour. I am using MTR. You can use ready-made gulab jamun mix. I am doing as per instructions. Transfer powder to a bowl. First mix dry without any lumps. Now add water 2 tablespoons. Mix slightly. Keep aside. Meanwhile, take a bowl, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water. Boil this mixture until sugar dissolves. Apply little ghee to the hands. Make small balls. Don't press hard. Just roll with hands. Keep aside all the balls. Meanwhile, mix the sugar syrup. Add food color half pinch, cardamom 2, lemon juice half tablespoon. Sugar doesn't make crystal. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Keep aside sugar syrup. Oil for frying. On medium heat, fry the gulab jamuns until changes color. Now it's ready. Transfer gulab jamun into a sugar syrup. Soak for 1 hour. Now it's ready to eat. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.